A hidden predator lurks in the ocean floor. It can strike down prey so fast, it's gone in an instant. This terrifying creature has inspired movie monsters. We're taking a look at a reclusive hunter, the bobbit worm. How long have they been around? How dangerous are those terrifying jaws? And how fast can they strike their prey? Bobbit worms live in warm waters. Scientists have observed them around Australia and Indonesia. It's remarkable how long these giant worms have lived. Researchers have found their 20-million-year-old burrows off Taiwan, and fossils showing similar traits to the bobbit worm date back 400 million years. But despite how long they've been around, we know very little about them. For example, we don't know how they reproduce. They like their privacy. This spawned a popular myth about how females would rip the male genitalia off and feed it to their young. But this was debunked. Bobbit worms are hermaphrodites. They have both sets of reproductive organs. And based on other species that they're related to, ecologists suggest that bobbit worms lay eggs. But we do know how effective they are as hunters. Bobbit worms live in the sea floor, about 10 to 40 meters deep. Down below, they have a unique way of hunting. They hide their 3-meter-long bodies in burrows under the sand. And once bobbit worms are mature, they tend to make their burrows into more permanent homes by reinforcing the walls with their mucus. Lovely. They're nocturnal hunters and will pretty much eat anything that floats past their burrows, from seaweed and algae to small fish. Bobbit worms are known as ambush predators for hiding in their burrows and striking their prey rapidly. When an unknowing victim hovers above a burrow, the bobbit worm senses its prey using 5 antennae that stick out of the burrow's opening. These powerful jaws house serrated plates that are scissor-like and can slice prey clean in half. Oof, ouch. Also, the jaws are so hard that they're the only part that can be fossilized. So, a bobbit worm won't have to worry about breaking a jaw or two when chomping down their meal. And that's not all. They also inject a toxin that disables prey and quickly pull it into the burrow, never to be seen again. Researchers have measured the worm's strike speed in and out of the burrow at over 6 meters per second. So you can understand how bobbit worms have inspired sci-fi movie monsters. These are truly terrifying creatures. Talking about mysterious creatures, have you checked out our episode about vampire squids? It's fantastic. Just a little clue. You're welcome. They've been living secretly for millions of years and have a deadly strike. That's what bobbit worms do, and that's what makes them, you guessed it, crazy creatures.